South Korea and the United States will carry out plans following the necessary procedures, such as having consultations for land sharing to enable the deployment of the THAAD system within this year.
South Korean Defense Ministry plans to deploy the battery this year. The land swap agreement was scheduled to be signed in January, but was delayed due to strong opposition at home and abroad. Local residents held candlelit rallies complaining that government did not consult the public before making the decision. And the other critics say the THAAD system is less focused on shooting down missiles from the DPRK and more about making South Korea part of the U.S. missile defense network in East Asia. Well, the system's radar is extensive enough to observe other neighboring countries, including China and Russia.